So
It
yes,
is.
MMT,
You
we
want
only
another one at 690?
yeah, we would line that lower bid at 690. Yes, it's a wholesale print. Yes, no one is lower than that than the MMT market maker because it's here, it's live, it's now, it's validated, it's truthful, it's at that wholesale bid. Let that be the truth. Let it be the truth because when those were 1680 on the high, just that one contract, look at the dollars we've taken out of there in risk. If I'm buying even one contract $8 lower, I just on one contract removed $800 of capital risk entry. Yeah, I always have that risk, but my risk is very little because I am once again that pricing authority in that option market on that weekly level, and I can prove that I am that print as we are live right now. And there's always risk. Stock broke up to 613. Here's the chart. Here's the chart. Right there, reversal bar. Half bar. Guess what? Does it mean that it's weak? No, it just means that that price level right here is also going to equal that bid and ask, Alex. Right here. And the thing about it is, it's going to be that half bar, 612.02 pennies right there in that line of code. Yes, it is. And it's Diamond Bot. The SMF Diamond Bot system is a high frequency what? Tells you how to get the bid and ask from them. So we remain elevated, but the thing about it is we don't have a clear reversal. The wholesale bid, our downside risk is limited. We would manage the trade providing what this thing does, because once it's at 99, that 1 1/4 delta is 615.63 at 99 IR at 1.08, approaching 1 1/8. Here it is right here, MMT. That's how many teenies. Right here, 17.37 teenies on the high. And look at here. He's right up there, and it's live. So when these highs are being made, the wholesale lower price markets are going to be made. And our entry is always our exit out because we can't get killed in the trade like the people who own them at $15, $13, $14, and even below 10, just slightly below 10, $9. Doesn't matter. Our wholesale entry is what it is. As the stock has made exactly 606 highs, and the SMF system said to buy it. And we did that work with our live MMT market maker apprenticeship students. And those are people that are placed out here to get that $13 move off of that low, and why it would come back up and challenge highs, and what bull trend exhaustion price cycles have been, and why we gave it to you so that you could get over here and start working this bid and ask the right way. And we'll have several new rooms opening up. And believe me, when you get into the SMF Elite Market Maker Club, that's a whole different club. But yeah, apprenticeships, they'll see what that club is. But nonetheless, here we go. I'm going to show you something hot. And that's how reversals. Now I'm going to have to, because the damn thing broke out to so many highs, I had to go over here and put in some new delta lines there on that MMT. I'm still burning right at the peak, and I'm making higher ratio breakouts here, which is everything you want when you're long. Now, as that process is happening, you got a 25 by 40 cent. The reason why you have to take that lowest risk entry is because if you're buying 50 of them right away, no. You got to make the market within the pricing lows based on the validation of how this thing is breaking higher. And when it stops breaking higher, then this side of the value will naturally hit its bottom. There's other pricing levels. And you can see that this thing is at 99. It's not looking back, and people can't get enough of it. And the time is 8:32 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and it's a 2-hourly opening bell special. How to get wholesale. And now remember, if you go through 100 here, so we're going to drop the 690, cancel all. There's going to go to a 6.5, 6.5, 6.5 below that low. So that's how many pennies. 6.5 live bid right here and now.
Confirm.